This is Mike, an ICT consultant. He has an appointment with a new client in Amsterdam's business district this morning at 9:30. As usual, he takes his car. There has been an accident and he drives straight into a traffic jam. Due to the low occupancy per vehicle, we use more cars than necessary. We produce more CO2 emissions, we have higher fuel bills, and parking is in short supply. Mike is stressing because he knows that he is making his new client wait. The client has a busy schedule, which is why he specifically arranged to meet at 9:30. Rushed and late, Mike arrives at his new client. A poor first impression. This is Mike, an ICT consultant who has an appointment with a new client in Amsterdam's business district this morning at 9:30. He checks his SeatZ app 15 minutes before leaving. He fills in his destination and SeatZ network does the rest. Based on his personal preferences, he receives tailor-made itineraries, multimodal. He can choose between the fastest, the greenest, or the cheapest option. SeatZ network uses the maximum amount of available data from existing mobility providers to give you access to every possible transportation alternative in a single app. The fastest route is to drive to Amsterdam Arena, park the car, and take the metro to Amsterdam South World Trade Center. He receives a message that George, a LinkedIn contact, is heading in the same direction and is keen on carpooling. Mike accepts. SeatZ network inventories who is going where and at what time, and subsequently tries to match supply and demand as effectively as possible. The system includes not only all available modes of transport, public transportation, car share and bike share, but also fellow SeatZ network member itineraries. The options you receive are based on your personal preferences. The result is more efficient use of all modes of transport. Mike drives toward the arena. He picks up George along the way. We use energy as a reward. With earned loyalty points, called WODs, you can pay within the SeatZ network. The challenges in the SeatZ app are fun too. SeatZ encourages you to take the bike instead of the car on occasion, for example. In addition to being rewarded in watts, the app keeps track of your eco rating. The lower your CO2 emissions, the higher your eco rating. Departments can challenge each other to have the smartest mobility behavior too. Lowest CO2 emissions, best vehicle occupancy, or most public transportation or bicycle kilometers. George continues his route. Mike parks and heads to the metro. He takes his time to prepare for the appointment. Meanwhile, the metro ride increases his eco rating. The combination trip has raised his eco rating. Thanks to his actions, the ICT department is now on top in terms of CO2 reduction. Relaxed, well prepared and beautifully on time, Mike arrives at his new client. Take the challenge. Help create a cleaner world. Make efficient use of every available mode of transport. Join the SeatZ network.